Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. I'm doing all these videos in a one day because I just received all my orders from Amazon, and this unboxing is of this Neewer. I believe that's how they pronounce it, or Neewer or Neewer ring light. So this is Neewer LED ring light 18-inch. I decided to get the case in case I want to travel with this, and also if I'm not using it for a long time, I can just keep inside this case, and it's kind of soft case, so it will keep it safe. So this is the ring light. It's 18 inches, and as you can see with the darkness right now at my home, that the reason I bought this because the weather is so unpredictable. It's cloudy one minute and then it's sunny the next minute. So hopefully that this thing is going to help me with if I want to record at any time. I don't have to wait for like nice bright and sunny day. So this is the ring light, and now let's see what else we have in the box. In this next box we have some instructions, cable, another cable, just for some, I think this is for the phone, and we also have this remote, and then we have two of these. One is like this white color and one is orange. This does not look like a mirror. Was supposed to have a mirror that you can use if you're like filming yourself doing your makeup. This is clearly not a mirror. This is not even a good plastic. And in this box, stand. So let me try this while standing up. So basically it's kind of tight. It's not as smooth, but okay, yeah. So you just go like this and flip it to the other side. I guess you can adjust. To attach the ring light to the stand, you first need to attach this, I think it's called soft tube or something. So I think you just kind of unscrew this. Screw tightly so it's secure. Now comes the ring light. So now I'm going to put these white filter on this. We have two. One is orange and then this one, and I'm planning to probably use this one, or at least start with this and let's see how it looks. And I think you need to start with the bottom one, which looks different than these two. So we are going to put this one over here and these two to the side. Insert your phone in this bracket and put it over here. Insert power cable into power adapter and then attach power cable to your light. Pair this remote to your phone using Bluetooth. Since I'm already using my cell phone to record this video, I will do this afterward. Over here underneath this is the knob that you will use to turn this on all the way from like 0 to 100. This is I think 100, which is very bright, and this is reasonable and it's almost off. So yeah, it's right over here. I will also put link to my other unboxing videos that I'm recording right now. After this or before this, I'm just doing this in one day, but I will upload them separately, so it's not going to be like one long video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.